For years, you've heard the phrase Industry 4.0 and how it promises you a future of smart factories and incredible efficiency. But if you're a leader in manufacturing or engineering, you're probably asking the right question. What is the actual return on investment? In today's economy, you can't afford to invest in trends. You need to invest in results. So let's talk about what those results really look like. Many consultant firms will present a theoretical case for Industry 4.0. They'll talk about concepts and possibilities, leave you with a thick binder of recommendations, and then their work is done. This is where the process breaks for most companies. A plan on paper doesn't reduce your scrap or prevent downtime. The real value comes to life during implementation, from turning that plan into action on the factory floor. We believe that our work continues long after the presentation ends. It's about being there with your team, integrating the solutions, and measuring the real-world impact. So, where do the numbers come from? Let's start with the Industrial Internet of Things, or IIoT. This isn't just about connecting machines, it's about gathering real-time data from every step of your process. This data is the key to proactive control. Instead of reacting when a machine breaks, predictive maintenance alerts you before it fails, allowing you to schedule repairs during planned downtime. When you pair IIoT with a robust manufacturing execution system, the results are powerful. We've seen companies achieve up to a 25% increase in overall equipment effectiveness. Imagine what that would do for your output. We've also seen scrap reductions of up to 40%. This isn't just an efficiency gain, it's a direct impact on your bottom line. Beyond daily operations, this technology builds resilience. With real-time visibility into production and inventory, you are better prepared for supply chain disruptions. You can anticipate bottlenecks before they halt production. You can see how a delay in one area will affect the entire process and make adjustments proactively. This transforms your operation from reactive to predictive. This isn't just about surviving market volatility, it's about creating a strategic advantage that allows you to outperform competitors when disruptions happen. The journey to Industry 4.0 starts with building a business case based on quantifiable results, not abstract ideas. It requires a partner who understands your unique challenges and is committed to seeing the implementation through. They bring binders, we bring breakthroughs. If you're ready to discuss the real ROI for your organization, let's have a conversation.